Here's how to calculate average inside of Google Sheets. We have a number of hours for these tasks we're doing, and we want to calculate what's the average time it takes us to complete. We'll do average, and right away we can see it's going to ask us, it sort of tries to guess what are we trying to average, and it's correct in this particular case. Let's select it. We're looking at all of these and saying, what's the average per task? However, what if we wanted to only average the 3 completed tasks, or any completed tasks as we add them or change their status to completed? We can use equals average if. Now, average if is funky, and what you might do is select the criteria range, B:B, select the criteria which will be completed, and the average range, we may want to change this to C3. But notice this number is wrong, because the completed is the average of 3, 5, and 7. That's not 9.33. It's because our ranges are different. If we add a 3 to B, just like C, C3, and B3, now we are correct. And this number will change if we change this to completed here. We're changing our average hours. I thought that was really cool, and I thought that was a really neat, interesting use of average if, and hope you enjoy that too. And I hope you subscribe here to Better Sheets on YouTube to get more out of your Google Sheets, to make your Google Sheets life better, to get automations, to get awesome stuff you can do in Google Sheets, maybe stuff you've never even heard of before. Subscribe today to Better Sheets.